Hi, so you've either found us on YouTube or maybe you're on our website. What we want to talk about is an exterior valuation. And so we want to welcome you to our shop because that's where we do these exterior valuations. Unless you're watching other videos that we've made on doing an exterior valuation. So as a customer, as a courtesy, while your unit's at the shop, basically what we're doing is we're trying to look out for your best interests, right? Maybe you're coming in and you're wanting to do an accessory, but you need other work done instead. We're here to kind of help guide you and kind of give you some, pinpoints or direction like, hey, maybe you shouldn't do that solar panel set on your roof yet because your suspension's about ready to break. So I mean, we're looking out for you, the consumer.
Yeah, the idea of the free exterior eval is to, us being professionals to see things that you may not see as a problem. So that way we can try to help you remedy or pinpoint where to spend the money on the unit. That happens quite a bit. People come in and want to do these accessories or upgrades.
Or preventive maintenance that they may not need.
Yeah. And the unit actually needs this instead of that. And that's what we're here to help you with.
So when your unit comes in and you get written up by one of our service advisors or Zach or myself, at some point that unit's getting dispatched out to either a technician or myself or Zach. And we're going out there, and to give you kind of quick rundown on an exterior eval, we are going up on your roof. We're looking over pretty much anything you can think of on the roof. So every roof is different, but we're doing like a pretty thorough inspection on the roof. We're looking at all your moldings, your side seams, the side of the body, your, depending on what kind of coach it is, metal, aluminum, fiberglass, gel coat, skirting, how everything's attached. We're looking for any signs of stuff that's going to cause you water damage, anything that's like cracking or fatigued or breaking, anything that's sun damaged.
Appliances. Seeing if they're dirty or corroded.
Seeing when was the last time you had those maintenance. We're looking at, like, if possible, we're looking at underneath the units, especially like a towable unit. We're able to relatively easily see, the condition of like the suspension components. Mm-hmm. So we are doing some minor inspections of like the shackle links, hangers, springs, stuff like that. For a more in-depth inspection, we offer two other versions. This exterior eval, depending upon what all we find, sometime if the unit's brand new, there's not many items, but sometimes there is a lot of items. Sometimes when we do an exterior evaluation, we'll find, a small amount or we'll find a large amount. So again, we're having to take the time to either have you come back in and meet with you so we can go over that. To maybe you are handy and maybe you are a DIY guy. And so we want to go over and basically say, okay, what can you take care of versus what do you want us to take care of? Mm-hmm. That way it helps you and you're not just coming in and just spending a bunch of money with us. So it's not really a work issue for us. It's more of a, our way of giving back and thanking you for coming into our shop by us being able to do this for you. It does cost us as a business to go ahead and do the inspections, write up quotes, look up parts and materials. And of course, we hope you do the work, but we want to help you do what work you are not able to do. Hey, thank you so much. It's the hey, right? Yeah. Hey, wow, baby. Hey, so thank you for calling. Now I feel weird about it.
It just works, though. That's your thing.
All right, so I'll do the hey again.
Okay.
Don't make me laugh. This is all getting recorded.
Oh, is it?
Probably going to use this shit as blackmail on us one day.
Maybe.
Right.